These directions show you how to A. Work with a hammer, B. Use a file, C. Polish a file, D. Avoid injuries during work, or E. Repair shop tools. Hammers aren't mentioned at all in our text, so this can be immediately marked off. Polishing a file as well is not discussed anywhere in the text, so this can be marked as incorrect as well. Avoiding injuries is mentioned vaguely towards the end of the text when it suggests adding a handle to your file to protect your hands, but it's not the main point of the directions. Therefore, it can be marked off as well. And while it's possible that the file might help you repairing any shop tools that you have, there are no specific instructions regarding how to repair them in the text. We are left with using a file, which is reflected in the text as every sentence explains a different aspect of how to most effectively use a file. Therefore, B, use a file, can be marked as our final answer.